Hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer in Alabama, and we represent a lot of people who have suffered personal injuries, particularly in car wreck cases. And there's something that comes up in a car wreck case, and even before there's a lawsuit, maybe you're dealing with the insurance company, or maybe you're just doing your due diligence, researching this, and you keep running into this phrase, contributory negligence. What does that mean? And why is the insurance company saying, this is why we're not paying you any money, or we're just going to pay you a tiny bit of money? Because they say you were contributorily negligent. What does that mean? Well, in about 47 out of the 50 states, we have a concept called comparative negligence. And here's what that means. Now, I'm just going to use a very simple example. Let's say I have $100,000 in damages from a car wreck, and the jury finds out that I was 10% at fault, and the guy that ran the red light was 90% at fault. Well, what they would do, and again, a very simple example, but they would say, okay, John, we'll give you $90,000 in damages. We're going to discount it $10,000 because you were 10% at fault and your damages are $100,000. Well, that's how most states are. But in 3 states, I think it's 3, but I know definitely in Alabama. I think also Maryland and Virginia. But in Alabama, we have what's called contributory negligence. That means if you're 1% at fault, instead of that reducing the verdict by 1%, it makes the verdict 0. You get nothing. So that's our law. If you're 1% at fault, certainly if you're 10% or 40%, but 1% is all you need, or all the other side needs, then you get nothing. And it's a very strict law, a very harsh law. Now, there are some things that the law has developed to sort of take into account about this, and we'll talk about those in other videos, but just at its core, contributory negligence means in Alabama, 1% at fault, you get nothing in the case. And so that's why insurance companies love to put that in there. I mean, you can be in traffic, okay? Traffic's been stopped on, I-65 for 20 minutes, and there's 50 cars behind you, and some lunatic will come driving 100 miles an hour and crash into those cars, and they hit it, and then it gets to you, and the insurance company go, you were at fault. How was I at fault? I didn't do anything. But it's just like everybody, they always want to say, you're at fault. Contributory negligence, so we'll pay you nothing. Or your damages are way up here. You need to come way down here because we think you're contributorily negligent. So don't be afraid of that. Just understand, you're probably going to hear that even if you're rear-ended. You're sitting there at a traffic light and you get rear-ended. Even if some drunk guy runs a red light and hits you, they're going to say, we think you were at least a little bit at fault for this, so we're going to pay you nothing. It doesn't mean they'll pay you nothing, but it means that that may be where they start. And you have to understand this and take this into account as you're figuring out, do I want to bring a case? How much is my case worth? You need to understand this concept of contributory negligence. So I hope that that's helpful. If we can help you in any way, give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us at our main website, alabamaconsumer.com. We represent people in truck wrecks and car wrecks all over the state of Alabama, so wherever you are, we'll be happy to chat with you. And it may be that you don't need a lawyer, or it may be that you do need a lawyer, and we'll help you to sort of go through that process and figure out who's the best lawyer for you. So again, if we can help you, 205-879-2447, or alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.